Flat organizations are sexy until nothing gets delivered. A flatter hierarchy can boost creativity, but research wants it. It sometimes reduces execution clarity. People assume somebody else will do the work, somebody else will decide. If you're going for flat, design decision roles explicitly. Who decides? Who advises? Who implements? Structure plus autonomy beats structure or nothing. At your next project kickoff, state who has the decision authority at each milestone. Try it. Note the speed change.